In-betweening, or tweening, is, according to Google, the process in which images are generated between keyframes, resulting in a smooth transition from one point to another. I use tweening when I use text in my videos or when I, quote-unquote, animate my characters, which I find hard to do so. Tweening in Flip a Clip, you have to manually fill in those spaces, which isn't really tweening, but I don't tween in Flip a Clip, so lol. Graphs are another cool thing about tweening. You can use graphs to ease in or out movement. If you don't understand what that is, watch The Sixth Principle of Animation, Slow In and Slow Out by Alan Becker, which is heavily recommended because I have a hard time explaining things. I use graphs a lot when I tween my characters on CapCut. Some things you can do is make them bounce or wave because that's all I know how to do so far. If you want to tween your characters like I did, all you have to do is draw your character's asset, make their limbs on separate transparent layers, download those images, and then add them onto CapCut as overlays. I don't really recommend using CapCut for animating characters, but that's just me.